My name is Austin Hawk. I'm with Chamber Media and I'm a director of photography. One of the easiest ways to capture somebody's attention and also keep their attention is by adding movement to your scene. A lot of people overlook movement in a shot, but it's really important that while you're giving your sales message, you have movement so that their eyes are fixated on the image. So today we're using a Pee-wee dolly, which is a much bigger dolly. We're using it to give it a very nice, smooth motion as we're dollying through different sets. The benefit of using a larger dolly is if you have a more complex shot, they have many attachments that will get you the shot and the angle that you want. In the beginning, you'll probably want to start off with something a little easier. They make things called Dana dollies where it's just a couple pipes and a platform on skateboard wheels, and you can adjust the height and everything. You always want to make sure that your track is level. You can even get yourself some skateboard wheels and make your own dolly. The issues that come up with using a dolly they're easy to overcome by just planning in the beginning. Whatever you think you're going to take in preparation for a dolly, just double that. If you think it's going to take 40 minutes, write out that you need an hour and 30 minutes. The main thing is that when you're doing a moving shot, it's going to take more time. Whether it's setting up lights so that your talent is moving through an area of equal light, or whether it's setting up dolly track. Thanks for watching. If you want to work with Chamber Media, then you can contact us at chamber.media today.